Hello students, in our previous part we have discussed about discriminations. Discriminations can take place because of several reasons. You probably recall from the previous chapter that Samir Ek and Samir Do were different from each other in many ways. For example, they belong to different religions. This is an aspect of diversity. However, this diversity can also be a source of discrimination. Groups of people who may speak a certain language, follow a particular religion, live in specific regions, etc., may be discriminated against as their costumes or practices may be seen as inferior. फर्स्ट चैप्टर में हम लोग पढ़ चुके हैं कि समीर एक और समीर दो जो दो फ्रेंड्स थे उन दोनों में बहुत सारे डिफरेंसेस थे और जो समीर एक था वो अमीर था, जो समीर दो था वो गरीब था। ऐसे ही बहुत सारा डिफरेंसेस हम लोग देख चुके हैं। डिस्क्रिमिनेशन रेफर्स टू अनजस्ट ट्रीटमेंट्स ऑफ अदर्स on the basis of prejudices and stereotypes, or when a person is not, for example, when a person is not allowed to take water in the same well, or not allowed to enter a particular religious place, or not allowed to take up a particular job. So some people may experience both kinds of discrimination. They are poor and they belong to groups whose culture is not valued. Tribals, some religious groups, and even particular regions are discriminated against for one or more of these reasons. In the following section, we will look at how a famous Indian was discriminated against. This will help us understand the way in which caste was used to discriminate against large number of people. नेक्स्ट इसके बाद हम पढ़ेंगे ऑन बीइंग डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड अगेंस्ट. पीपल आर एंगेज्ड इन डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ वर्क like teaching, carpentry, pottery, weaving, fishing, farming, etc. to earn a livelihood. So certain kinds of work are valued more than others. Activity like cleaning, washing, cutting hair, picking garbage are seen as tasks that are of less value, and people who do this work are seen as dirty or impure. जो हेयर कट करते हैं या फिर पिकिंग द गार्बेज, जो क्लीनिंग, वॉशिंग, साफ़ सफाई का काम करते हैं, उन लोगों को हम एक अलग नज़र से देखते हैं, या फिर हमारा जो सोसाइटी होता है वो एक अलग नज़र से उनको देखता है. दिस बिलीफ इज एन इम्पोर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट ऑफ द कास्ट सिस्टम. In the caste system or community, groups of people were placed in a sort of ladders where each caste was either above or below the other. Those who placed themselves at the top of this ladder called themselves upper caste and saw themselves as superior. The groups who were placed at the bottom of the ladder were seen as unworthy and called untouchables. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, one of the greatest leaders of India, shares his first experience of caste-based discrimination which just 9 years old. डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर जो कि जब उनको 9 years हो रहा था तब वो जो कि ग्रेट लीडर्स ऑफ इंडिया. डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर इज कंसिडर्ड द फादर ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड इज ऑल्सो द बेस्ट नोन लीडर ऑफ द दलित. डॉक्टर अंबेडकर फॉट फॉर द राइट्स ऑफ द दलित कम्युनिटी. ही वाज born into the महार कास्ट which was considered untouchable. जो महार कास्ट था वो अनटचेबल में जाता है। द महार्स वेर पोर, ओन्ड नो लैंड एंड चिल्ड्रन बॉर्न टू देम ऑल्सो हैड to do the work their parents did. They lived in spaces outside the main village and were not allowed into the village. वो गांव के बाहर जो दलित होते थे या फिर जो अनटचेबल्स होते थे वो गांव के बाहर रहते थे और उनके पेरेंट्स जो काम करते थे उनके बाद उनके जो बच्चे होते थे वो भी वही काम ही करते थे। Dr. Ambedkar was the first person from his caste who completed his college education and went to England to become a lawyer. And he encouraged Dalits to send their children to school and college. He also argued Dalits to take on different kinds of government jobs in order to move out the caste system. He led many efforts of Dalits to gain entry into temples. Later in life, he converted to Buddhism in his search for a religion that treated all members equally. Dr. Ambedkar believed that Dalits must fight the caste system and work towards a society. जो डॉक्टर भीमराव अंबेडकर थे वो कास्ट सिस्टम के लिए बहुत सारा फाइट किए थे और उन्होंने अपने जो महार कास्ट थे उन लोगों को बहुत समझाया था कि वो अपने बच्चों को स्कूल और कॉलेज में भेजे और encouraged to Dalits to send their children to school and college. And he also argued Dalits to take in different kinds of government job. उनको गवर्नमेंट जॉब में भी उनको मिले, इसके लिए वो बहुत लड़े थे।